Indian Embassy on Tuesday issued a detailed security advisory addressing to all of its nationals currently residing in Afghanistan, warning against the imminent threat posed by the terror groups in the region. In light of the growing violent attacks by terror groups, Indian nationals are advised to stay vigilant amid a serious threat of kidnapping. After assessing the gravity of the violent situation, which is led by the Taliban as it makes efforts to wrest control of territory from Afghan government forces, the Indian Embassy said the Indian nationals are no exceptions and face a serious threat. In view of the heightened security threats, all Indian nationals visiting, staying and working in Afghanistan are advised to exercise utmost vigilance and caution with regard to security at workplace, place of residence and also during movement to their places of work, the advisory said. Security advisory to Indian nationals in Afghanistan to err on the side of caution. The advisory even advised its nationals to avoid all non-essential movements, especially during peak commuting hours. While it has been recommended to avoid travel outside the main cities and refrain from using highways and roads, when in need to use the roadways, Indian nationals are advised to maintain distance from possible targets like military convoys, vehicles of government ministries' offices, high-ranking officials, law enforcement agencies, and avoid visiting crowded markets, shopping complexes, mandirs, restaurants and other public places. The embassy also directed Indian companies operating in Afghanistan to take up necessary security measures to ensure safety of their Indian nationals deployed at project sites. Indian nationals are also told to keep contact numbers of nearest police station, the Indian embassy and consulates as well as colleagues and other Indians who can be reached locally in case of an emergency. Any essential movement may please be kept as discreet as possible. Movements generally should not have a predictable pattern and timing and routes taken should be changed wherever possible to maintain an element of surprise, the security advisory added. Due to the prevailing COVID-19 situation and for the security reasons, flights between India and Afghanistan may change anytime, so plan ahead and check for updates constantly. Also, due to the scarcity of immediate medical aid, people are advised to follow COVID-appropriate behavior. Afghan Taliban says civilians are safe. In a statement released on the website of Afghan Taliban, the organization says all civilian and non-military foreign nationals, diplomats, embassies, consulates and workers of humanitarian organizations won't face any problems or security risks. They may continue their diplomatic work and humanitarian activities for normal routine. As far as it is related to the Taliban, we have fulfilled our responsibility regarding their safety, it said. However, civilians have been caught in the middle of the conflict. Incidents like roadside IEDs and use of magnetic IEDs to target civilian vehicles have also been reported from the